in charge of sub-counties. Chibesa twasangereirie omwaka 2023-24 otwabwate 414 million, 2024-2025 otwabwate 563 million, an increase of 70 million. Ono tiga abatasamaji baitu ndabateng'ambia mana seng'encho nainu mwatasupport konyora chifige chintware gochinyora kuru office otwachete asomore mugatoa chibesa echo chiri mwatakeire gwakana igo tiga tugateng'ambia mono nyasaye abaseseni naende kera twachakire omwaka oyo iga naende kera toracha asemore naende motokonye egere tomente revenue egende igoro mono. The most improved sub-county Kitutu chache north eyere Marani omwaka orio eretega babwate chimilioni 10 no omwaka oyo twakorire bono iga babwate chimilioni 22 sub-county erire diase sub-county Johnson South Mugirango, and then municipality nero ne improved kurwa siaring last time to this time babwate 327 million. The most improved sector matatu twasangire omwaka orio erete tware gusangire 3 million per month, lakini umwaka oyo era twachaka gusangire 6 million per month twabwata na improvement of 32 million from where it was last time.
Jenza Karimose, mo director webango se revenue Kisii County Government. Mbiamono otwachire igari tukoria rero ase college yetu ya ATC ase ng'encho yogosherekea ng'a twasangererie bango yaitekana igoro na kwa abo busabaito bakorobia koba egutwa abakero omonto bunanyataka bagakora bune county government asa mang'ana yogosangeria bango. Omwaka oyo bwa serikali 2024-2025 twakorobia tugasangereria ase twarengo omwaka oria twetane na karibu milioni 70. Igo twarote yanta betu ngambie mono togendere korwa ase bango togende kwache county yetu ya Kisii. Abo busaho banyare koba bakobwa ebiewa banyare koba oteng'ene ringa kintang'ani banyarire koba bagochengerwa ase gasingia. Igo nara arenga rero une county government of Kisii tware gote y'abantu baitu barwe bango bakare tukaenda igoro ngambie mono togende kubwaterana no twachakire omwaka omuya mbie mono.
Mbie mono ase rigasa maita nengoro gwekiria togia Kisii Damasimo Yondieki gokora department ya revenue gesagesa na chagite gasi yiga nanyakora ko nimunekeiga nanchi nabe no mugokonyore certificate naande twanyure chae na baminta mo twasangire no muchi officer na waziri no arenge na county secretary no arenge ngimboira ni bosi ngambia mono mugaba noito mbera ni ngambia mono aso kubango omuyego yiga twarege nteke ekegeni totanyakora rasi miaka ya kumaega mbia mono
Mchengero kweba ni songoi driver ya revenue gongo boge mambisana kirero na very organized appreciation kwetero mu chief officer no mugaba na Simba Harati gotoka tenga mbia mono sana ndwanya korege ndo bunekeiga my director chiana chionsi mbia mono saka dimose dibora veka mbia mono sana si appreciation uneye nanje nanyore certificate ngoiraka bandu bamanya ngoboka guchia kiagera gwana sikwa bera appreciate bandu bamanya nga mahambi koko era ne gasio kwenda mbia mono sana.
My name is Conrad Owino, a Chief Officer in charge of Revenue, Kisii County Government. We are here today to celebrate the achievements we've achieved for the last 3 years. In the year 2022-2023, Kisii County Government collected on-source revenue 414 million, which in the year 2023-2024, we also increased from 414 to 501 million. This last financial year, 2024-2025, we have made a great stride by hitting 565 million. This is over 70 million increase, and it has been a journey, which means we've been filling loopholes all through to ensure that all the collections are banked. And also we changed the revenue system, which nowadays there is no cash collection. Everything must be banked through the bank. And the team I have is very active. During compliance, they ensured they moved door to door to ensure that all the collections are done. And the people and the traders of Kisii, those who pay the revenue, they were on the spot and they saw the value for their money. And my message to people of Kisii County Government to Kisii County entirety is to ensure that they know that through revenue collection, they'll be able to fund their own projects. The one His Excellency Governor Paul Simba Arati had promised the people of Kisii. Because if they pay revenue, kulipa ushuru ni kujitegemea. So I urge them this financial year to come out in good time and ensure that they commit and have all their licenses renewed by January latest next year. Thank you. The target for 2025-2026 is 860 million, which we are up to task to ensure that we collect at the end of the day.